Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature. This is crucial for a smooth dough. Precise measurements are key for perfect sugar cookies every time. Now let's mix the dough. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Beat in the egg and vanilla extract until well combined. Gradually add the flour, mixing until just incorporated. Do not overmix. Form the dough into a disc, wrap it, and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This step is vital for easy rolling and to prevent your cookies from spreading too much. Once your dough is chilled, lightly flour a clean surface and your rolling pin. Roll the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes. Carefully transfer the cutouts to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 1 inch between each cookie. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. After baking, let your beautiful sugar cookies cool completely on a wire rack before you even think about decorating them. This prevents your icing from melting or running. Now for the fun part, decorating. You can use royal icing for intricate designs or a simple glaze for a quick, sweet finish. Get creative with colors and sprinkles. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade sugar cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.